What's up, you guys? Today we are going to be doing a tutorial for this hairstyle, so let's get into it. I'm gonna wet my hair. If you don't like to style your hair while wet, you don't have to do it. To make sure my parts were the same on each side, I used the arch of my eyebrow and just made 2 parts on each side, and then I clipped off the top part because we're going to use that later. And now with the sides, I'm making 3 parts on each side, and they're going to be kind of like square-like, and just tying those off. And with each part that you tie off, you're going to connect it into the next one that you're going to tie so that they're all together and there's no hair hanging out. And just as simple as that for the sides, and I'm gonna do the next side. Now for the top, it's just gonna stay smooth and flat, so I took my bristle brush and I started to brush it back, and then brushing the under part of my hair. I want it to be as flat as possible, and then just tying all of the hair up into one ponytail, detangling the ponytail, and then separating the ponytail into 3 sections. The middle one is going to be a braid. I don't know why I started it in the middle, but you can definitely start with the bubble braids first and then go into the braid and then do the other bubble braid at the end. And then the 2 sides are going to be the bubble braids. Depending on how long your hair is, depends on how many hair ties you use and how far apart you do them. So do it to your liking. I like to make mine further apart. I think on each side I used 7 or 8 rubber bands. I remember I had to go back and count so I can make them even. And you also have to account for the fact that you're going to be pulling your hair apart, so the rubber bands are going to slide down as you do that. And now you just start to pull and create the bubble effect in the bubble braids, and I'm going to continue this on the other side. And then lastly, if you want to do your edges, or if you do them, then add a little edges. Make it fun, make it cute. I think the edges definitely add a nice touch to the majority of hairstyles. And that is the final hairstyle. I think it's so cute and it's so easy to do as well. Oh good, I love this hairstyle. Someone said that they would wear this to a festival, and I 100% agree. If I was going to festivals this year, I would probably wear something like this. It takes literally 15 minutes. I hope you guys loved it too. I hope this was a little bit easier to do at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.